Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use seller dashboard and buyer dashboard. In this example, I will use two company profiles. One is ABC Chemicals Private Limited and other is Akshay Chemicals. In this example, ABC Chemicals Private Limited will buy acetone from Akshay Chemicals. Now I will go to ABC Chemicals account. Go to market page. Search for Akshay Chemicals. Send the inquiry for acetone. Now fill all the details such as the quantity 100 kg, then the delivery date, name of the city where I want to get delivered, then the date till inquiry is valid. Click on send. The inquiry has been registered successfully. Then I will go to my microsite. Go to buyer dashboard. Here you can see your products that you want to buy, my inquiries, my suppliers. In my inquiries, you can see inquiries for your products. Here you can see, today, I have sent inquiry for acetone. You can also close the inquiry if you want to. Now I will click here. Here you can see response is pending from Akshay Chemicals. Now I will go to Akshay Chemicals profile. Click on seller dashboard. Go to received inquiries. Here Akshay Chemicals have received inquiry for acetone from ABC Chemicals Private Limited. Click on this inquiry. Now I can send quotation by clicking here. I will write packaging for acetone in bag. Quantity, same as 100 kg. Enter the valid date. In delivery terms I will write delivery within 4 days and price included. Payment terms is credit. Akshay Chemicals is selling for 100 rupees per kilogram. You can also send messages from here. Now click on send. Now I will go to ABC Chemicals Private Limited. You will get email notification whenever you send or receive inquiries. Here I can see the quotation that Akshay Chemicals have sent the response of 100 rupees. I can accept, reject, or negotiate the decision. If I click on accept, an invoice of 100 rupees will be generated. In this example, we'll click on negotiate. I will add packaging in bag. Quantity same as 100 kg. Valid date. Delivery terms is delivery within 4 days and price included. Payment terms in credit. I will negotiate the price is 80 rupees per kilogram. Now I will type a message such as can you give it for 80 rupees per kilogram. Then click on send. Here you can see all the negotiation history. Now I will go to Akshay Chemicals. Here I will write 80 rupees per kilogram and type a message as OK. Then click on send. Here the yellow negotiate icon says that negotiation is still happening between two companies. Now I will go to ABC Chemicals Private Limited. Now I will accept the terms of 80 rupees per kilogram of acetone. After accepting, invoice of 80 rupees will be generated. Now I will go to Akshay Chemicals and refresh the page. The yellow negotiate icon will change to green accept icon. This is how you can send inquiries and quotations to companies. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.